Hey, so I desperately have to mow. I just watered my rose with the leftover water from the blanching and got ate up by mosquitoes. So I just Googled and it said to put rosemary around your ankles to repel them while you mow. And I need to mow. We'll see how it works. I don't really want to put cat mint out here because there's feral cats out here. And I don't really want to draw anymore. So, anyway, I'll keep you posted. I'm going to try rosemary. Hi there. Are you asking about this pawpaw tree? Well, let me tell you. It is a pawpaw tree, which is indigenous to where I am. And I like it aesthetically. I think it looks like a palm tree. I have pawpaws in it. Here's a little one. And a limb. See this limb? Did you know groundhogs could climb trees? I didn't. They're in the squirrel family. It is suspected that that very cute groundhog might have pulled on the pawpaw because there's 3 of them here. Well, 4 actually. See? There's 4. They're not ready. Usually they're ready around August. Isn't it lovely under here? I can see why a groundhog would find it appealing. Look at that canopy. It's like a palm tree. And there's the pawpaws. This is my thumb, so little perspective or reference. It really takes 2 to get a good pollination. And I bought 2. But 1 did die. The ants, I think the ants destroyed him. I'd never had them before, so I really didn't have a clue what I was doing. I figured since it was indigenous, it'd be okay. And out in the wild, where they really grow in dense areas. And they're like under canopy trees. So they'll like grow up under another tree. And I guess maybe you get more harvest that way. But I really like mine. It's just so cute. It's like an umbrella. The blackberries are done. I think I have a few left on there. I put this cage up here that I made. It was going to rain, and I got in a hurry. So I used what I had, and I can see the berries are done. So I'm going to trim it back, and I'm going to leave. Maybe I'll bow tie them. I'm going to leave the new limbs from this year because they didn't bear fruit. So I believe next year they're going to bear fruit. I'm pretty sure that's the way it's been. Since they get ripe so early in the year, it kind of feels early in the year. It's hard sometimes to remember what's bearing fruit, old or new. They call it wood, I believe. Old wood, new wood. And I'm pretty sure this particular blackberry puts out new fruit on old wood, which would be this year's new growth. I believe this is what's going to produce fruit next year. Pretty sure. So I'm going to trim it, but I'm not going to cut it all down. I think I'm just going to loop it like a horseshoe. That way it can continue living on, get the energy it needs to produce fruit. Producing fruit takes a lot of energy. Look, I got some squash bugs or beetles. They're actually beetles. See, right here. Boop. I'm just going to leave them. They're doing their thing. They're staying over here. There's another one. My goodness. This is organic gardening. Full of life right through there. I'm not sticking my hand through because of these thorns. They're like little barbed thorns. They hurt real bad. Last year's growth that I left after I trimmed it way back is what put out fruit this year. Yeah, and I ate it. I see some blackberries right now behind my makeshift cage. I'm gonna eat them. I've been mowing. I have earned it. Yep, you want blackberry? It's for you. Thanks for watching. It's a little motivating, actually. Sharing this journey with me. Back to mowing.